Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Tiana. I found myself to have a little bit of extra time before I go to work today, so let's do a quick little eye look and let's get to it. Alrighty, so I've gone ahead and primed my eyes with my MAC 24-Hour Prep and Prime, and then I'm going to be using my Strawberry Dream eyeshadow palette today. This is what this does look like. And we're just going to be doing a quick little look, nothing kind of crazy, so we're just going to go ahead and dive on in. I'm going to go ahead and go into Cloudy right here, and I'm just taking a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put that onto my crease. So I'm starting to get the reality check that I'm moving in a few months. And I'm excited for a new adventure, honestly. I've been trying to do a little bit of job hunting, and that's been kind of sparse. There's not a whole lot out there going on. So I've been thinking about commuting back up here to work a couple times a week. So that way I could at least like do that as a transition, so that until I find a job down there that I want to do. But we'll see. Alright, that's a cute little pink color. Very nude and natural, but like soft. Add a little bit more of this into this crease. I'm kind of packing it into the outer corner as well. And the reason why I use the big fluffy brush is that I could blend this kind of up into my brow bone, because I knew this color was very light. Cute. Alrighty, so next I'm going to take this Sweet Dream. I went into Cloudy here, and I'm going to take Sweet Dream, and I'm actually going to, actually hold on, I'm going to put Cloudy just a little bit more on my outer corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to kind of like softly blend that up and out. So then next I'm going to take Sweet Dream, and I'm just going to take Sweet Dream on my finger, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid. And of course I make a huge mess. Now I'm just making a bunch of noise and mess. What is wrong with me? I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my inner corner and a little bit under my eye, because I accidentally did that over here. Cute. Alrighty, so then I'm going to take the same fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to dust that slightly out and just kind of blend with this. Just soften it up a little bit. And I'm going to go into Blue Diamond, which is right here. It's a pressed glitter, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner and a little bit on this lid. And again, a little bit on the inner corner and a little bit on the lid, just to give it that extra sparkle, which I think is really cute. This one has like a blue reflect in it. Very, very cute, I think. Boom. Cute little eye look, y'all. But really, I think this is a cute little eye look, quick and easy. I mean, that took me 6 minutes to do. Actually, what I'm gonna do really quickly is take Cloudy actually and put it under my eye as well. I always like to put stuff under my eyes. I feel like it just kind of like ties everything together too. So that way it's like one big connection. And you know what? Just for fun, I'm gonna take a little bit of Blue Diamond, and I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. Just a little. Oof. I say just a little bit. More like a lot. And then we're just gonna buff that out. Hopefully it'll buff out. I don't know how well. It's not buffing! It's not buffing at all. You know, it was a risk I was willing to take. The other side buffed really well. I don't know why this side doesn't want to do it as well. So there we go. We're getting it. We're getting it to lip distribute. Alrighty, and then for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Fly Pencil in Big Truffle. And I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. And then I'm going to be using my Heyyy mascara. This is like a travel size. This is the Limitless Lash Mascara. It has this really cool brush where the top side really lets you comb through them, where the bottom side really lets you distribute and get those on your lashes. But that top row is just for really lengthening them. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes. And I'm starting off with the fat side, and then now I'm going to go in with the comb and kind of comb through my lashes. Giving them some extra length. And then we'll do the bottom lashes. Like, look how crazy that is. That's awesome. Love this mascara. I really do love this mascara. All right, I'll be back with the other lash on. And then last but not least, I'm going to top it off with a clear brow gel. This is the Ready Set Brow Perfect Brow Groomer from European Wax Center. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm just going to lightly comb up all my brow hair. I did just recently get them trimmed so that not as many stick up randomly. Ta-da! So this completes today's video. I've got to go ahead and get ready for work. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!